Not long ago, I found myself struggling with the idea of aging. My energy levels were low, and I felt like my best years were behind me. Then I discovered a method that shifted my perspective on aging entirely. By changing my mindset and focusing on simple practices, I began to feel more vibrant and alive than I had in years. This approach helped me realize that aging doesn't mean slowing down or feeling less alive. It's about living each day with vitality and purpose. And I'm here to explain to you how you too may go through this transformation. If you like what you're seeing, please consider subscribing. It's free and keeps you updated with the latest videos. Changing your aging set point starts with how you perceive your own age. Many people think that aging is only about physical changes, but it is also deeply connected to your mindset. Your thoughts and beliefs about aging can influence how you experience it. A critical aspect of this approach is focusing on positive affirmations. By regularly telling yourself that you are youthful and vibrant, you can actually begin to feel this way. Positive affirmations can shift your mindset and encourage you to adopt healthier habits. And physical activity is another key component. Regular exercise doesn't just keep your body in shape, it also boosts your mood and energy levels. Activities like walking, yoga, or even dancing can make a significant difference in how you feel daily. Nutrition plays a vital role as well. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats can provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. Staying hydrated is equally important to maintain your energy levels and overall health. Sleep is often overlooked, but is essential for maintaining a vibrant life. Quality sleep helps your body repair and rejuvenate, which can make you feel more energetic and alert. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night to support your well-being. Stress management is crucial in this process. Chronic stress can accelerate aging and take a toll on your health. Techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or spending time in nature can help reduce stress and improve your overall outlook on life. Keeping your mind active is equally important. Engaging in activities that challenge your brain, such as reading, puzzles, or learning new skills, can help keep your mind sharp and youthful. Building strong social connections can also have a positive impact on your aging process. Spending time with loved ones and maintaining meaningful relationships can provide emotional support and enhance your quality of life. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider are essential to monitor your health and catch any potential issues early. Staying proactive about your health can help you address concerns before they become more significant problems. Hydration is often underestimated, but drinking enough water is critical for your overall health. Proper hydration helps maintain your energy levels, supports digestion, and keeps your skin looking youthful. Mindfulness practices can also contribute to a vibrant life. Being present in the moment and appreciating the small joys can improve your mental well-being and reduce feelings of stress or anxiety. Finding a sense of purpose can greatly influence your experience of aging. Whether it's through hobbies, volunteering, or pursuing passions, having a reason to get up each day can bring joy and fulfillment to your life. Self-care is another essential element. Taking time for yourself, whether through a relaxing bath, reading a good book, or simply enjoying some quiet time, can help recharge your batteries and improve your overall well-being. Laughing more can have a surprising impact on your health. Laughter reduces stress, boosts your immune system, and can even provide a mini workout for your abs. Finding humor in everyday situations can keep your spirits high. Setting realistic goals and working towards them can give you a sense of accomplishment and motivation. Whether it's learning something new, improving your fitness, or completing a project, goals can keep you engaged and focused. Limiting your exposure to negative influences, whether it's through the media or certain individuals, can help you maintain a positive outlook. Surrounding yourself with positivity can uplift your mood and overall perspective. Focusing on what you can control rather than what you can't can shift your mindset from feeling helpless to empowered. Taking small steps each day to improve your health and well-being can lead to significant changes over time. Spending time in nature has numerous benefits for both your physical and mental health. Whether it's a walk in the park, hiking, or gardening, connecting with nature can help you feel more grounded and at peace. Practicing gratitude can transform how you perceive your life. Taking a moment each day to reflect on what you're thankful for can boost your mood and create a positive outlook on life. Incorporating these practices into your daily routine can help you change your aging set point and lead a vibrant, fulfilling life. Maintaining flexibility in both body and mind can play a significant role in how you experience aging. Regular stretching exercises, such as those found in yoga, or simple daily routines can keep your muscles limber and reduce the risk of injury. Mentally, staying open to new ideas and perspectives can keep your brain engaged and adaptive. Paying attention to your posture is another often overlooked aspect. Good posture not only prevents back pain and other physical issues, but also promotes better breathing and circulation. Simple exercises to strengthen your core can make a big difference in maintaining proper alignment. Engaging in creative activities can also help, whether it's painting, writing, or playing a musical instrument. Expressing yourself creatively can boost your mood and provide a sense of accomplishment. Creativity stimulates your brain and can provide a refreshing break from routine tasks. Spending time with animals, if possible, can be incredibly beneficial. Pets can provide companionship, reduce stress, and encourage physical activity. Walking a dog, for instance, can become a pleasant part of your daily routine. Making sure you spend time in sunlight is crucial. Sunlight is a natural source of vitamin D, which is essential for bone health and immune function. Just a few minutes a day can make a significant impact on your overall well-being. Practicing good hygiene and skincare can also contribute to feeling and looking vibrant. Regularly cleansing and moisturizing your skin, along with using sunscreen, can keep your skin healthy and youthful. Additionally, maintaining dental hygiene can have a positive effect on your overall health. Developing a regular routine that incorporates these healthy habits can create a sense of stability and purpose. Having a set schedule can help you stay on track with your goals and ensure that you make time for the activities that keep you feeling vibrant. Learning to listen to your body is another important aspect. Paying attention to signs of fatigue, stress, or discomfort and addressing them promptly can prevent more serious health issues down the line. This can include anything from taking a rest day when needed to seeking medical advice if something feels off. Staying organized can also reduce stress and improve your quality of life. Keeping your living space tidy and your tasks well managed can create a sense of order and calm. Simple organizational tools like planners or lists can help keep you on top of your daily activities. Experimenting with new hobbies or interests can keep life exciting and engaging. Trying out different activities can introduce you to new skills and passions you might not have discovered otherwise. This can also create opportunities for personal growth and enjoyment. Engaging in acts of kindness can have a profound effect on your happiness and outlook on life. Small gestures, such as helping a neighbor or volunteering, can create a sense of connection and purpose, which are crucial for mental and emotional well-being. Ensuring you have time for relaxation and recreation is equally important. Finding balance between work and leisure can prevent burnout and keep you feeling energized and positive. This can include anything from watching a favorite show to going on a weekend getaway. Developing a habit of lifelong learning can keep your mind sharp and engaged. Whether it's through reading books, taking courses, or attending workshops, continually seeking knowledge can enhance your cognitive abilities and keep your mind active. Maintaining a positive environment around you can influence your mindset significantly. Surrounding yourself with uplifting and motivating elements, whether it's through decor, music, or hobbies, can foster a more positive and vibrant outlook. Regularly reflecting on your achievements, no matter how small, can boost your self-esteem and motivation. Recognizing and celebrating your progress can keep you motivated and encourage you to continue pursuing your goals. Hydrotherapy, such as swimming or taking baths, can be incredibly beneficial for both physical and mental health. Water activities can provide a low-impact form of exercise and a soothing way to relax and unwind. Exploring different forms of movement can keep your fitness routine interesting and effective. Activities like Tai Chi, Pilates, or even martial arts can offer new challenges and benefits, keeping you engaged and active. Focusing on small incremental changes rather than drastic overhauls can make adopting new habits more manageable and sustainable. Gradually incorporating these practices into your daily life can lead to lasting improvements in your health and well-being. Paying attention to your breathing can also be beneficial. Practicing deep breathing exercises or mindful breathing can help reduce stress, improve lung capacity, and promote relaxation. Simple breathing techniques can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Acknowledging the importance of gratitude in your daily life can have a significant impact on your mindset. Taking a moment each day to appreciate what you have can shift your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant, fostering a more positive and vibrant outlook. And that's how these simple changes can lead to a more vibrant life, no matter your age. Start implementing these practices today and notice the difference in how you feel. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on living your best life. Thanks for watching.